As AI technologies continue to evolve, their impact on society raises profound questions that we must address. Google now provides an AI-generated response at the top of every search page. Our social media is moderated by AI systems, our shopping systems are influenced by AI, and AI is now being used to inform policing and court decisions. Industries from healthcare to finance are already implementing AI tools, with potential patient outcomes being predicted with higher accuracy than human doctors can typically achieve, and financial trading decisions being made in milliseconds. But this leads to some ethical challenges. Even the MNIST dataset that you have used in this course incorporates inherent bias because it was gathered from a narrow band of middle-class American subjects. This bias percolates through to any models trained on the dataset, which may perform poorly on handwriting from people with different cultural or socioeconomic backgrounds. Since the 2000s, a number of US states have used the confers algorithm in their justice system to predict the likelihood of criminals reoffending. While it's meant to promote fairness, the system shows bias and consistently overestimates the risk from Black offenders relative to white ones. In other words, bias in AI can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. In the UK, AI is increasingly being used in law enforcement. London's Metropolitan Police has deployed an AI-driven facial recognition system at various events and locations to identify individuals named on a watch list. Leaked early reports revealed that the system was inaccurate, particularly when identifying individuals from a minority ethnic background. In fact, in some trials, the system was said to have had an error rate of 81%. This has led to calls for stricter regulation of the use of AI, particularly in policing. Another pressing concern is the use of AI in surveillance. China's social credit system is reported to utilize AI to monitor and evaluate citizen behavior, raising serious concerns about privacy, discrimination, and freedom. Similar concerns have been raised in other countries about systems used to track COVID-19 infection. China's social credit system tracks a wide range of activities, from online behavior to financial transactions, and assigns scores to individuals that can influence everything from loan approvals to travel restrictions. This kind of pervasive surveillance challenges notions of privacy and civil liberties. It is even more alarming if there is a high potential for error or a lack of transparency around decision-making. However, as the potential of AI grows, so too does the temptation to use it. PricewaterhouseCoopers reported that 85% of CEOs think that AI will significantly change the way they do business. Although intentions may be honorable, outcomes may not be, and so as AI becomes more integrated into decision-making processes, transparency and accountability become paramount. But how can we ensure that AI systems will be used responsibly? We urgently need a robust ethical framework to guide AI development and deployment.